You're managing with Asana, but tracking with Google Sheets. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, when a task is added in Asana, add a new row to Google Sheets to track incoming work. Or when a task is changed in Asana, update the matching row in Google Sheets to keep details current. Or even, log every new Asana task in Google Sheets to build a simple workload dashboard. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Asana and Google Sheets, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.